All right, my family and friends, I remember you subscribe and share this YouTube video to go viral. Here is the KUMASI City TV. Like and leave your comment to the comment section for the more videos here. You will listen and listen to us every day and every time. Every breaking news, we will give you the breaking news and commercial news. Every news in this region, we will give it to you.
Pressure mounts on Afenyo Markin to beg judge. Now, who is Afenyo Markin? He is the minority leader in parliament. He's under serious pressure to impress his party. And now more pressure is mounting on him to beg a judge that he has so viciously attacked. And this is the judge, Justice Joseph Yanubang Kunsong. This is Afenyo Markin. He's a lawyer. I'm told he's a senior lawyer. He used unprintable words, my brother, my sister, on the judge. He said every day he will not cease to disrespect Justice Joseph Yanibang Kunsong. He is the judge at Circuit 9 Court. Now there's pressure on him. There's a gentleman by name Justice Abdullah. He's a lawyer. This is Justice Abdullah. He's very angry with Afenyo Markin. And the headlines are all over the place. He wants Afenyo Markin to be cited for contempt. This is Justice Abdullah. He thinks that Afenyo Markin has outstepped, or better still, overstepped his boundaries of freedom of speech. And he has chastised and threatened a sitting judge because the ruling did not go his way. Now, not many people might have heard about Justice Abdullah. Come here. Now run at those here and let's see exactly who this man is. Now, Justice Abdullah is a prominent Ghanaian private legal practitioner, law lecturer at the University of Professional Studies, Accra, that's UPSA, and a PhD candidate. He is best known for filing a landmark 2022 Supreme Court case concerning parliamentary quorums and the voting rights of deputy speakers. He earned his first degree in psychology with philosophy from the University of Ghana, followed by a Bachelor of Laws, LLB, from the University of London. He earned his Masters of Laws, LLM, from the University of Ghana Law School upon being called to the bar. This is Justice Abdullah. Flip. Justice Abdullah. This is the man we're talking about. Now, he's been lecturing for over a decade. He taught at the Distance School of the University of Ghana and Wisconsin University International College before joining the UPSA Law School. And he is the founder of the Accra-based law firm Crown Legal Bureau, where he provides dispute resolution and advisory services. He is a frequent commentator on Ghanaian national and constitutional affairs, regularly sharing expert insights on rule of law, anti-corruption efforts, and legal accountability. Now, this is what has defined him. Flip and watch what has defined him. In fact, his landmark Supreme Court case. In 2022, Justice Abdullah gained national prominence as the plaintiff in Justice Abdullah versus Attorney General. He challenged the constitutionality of a first Deputy Speaker of Parliament, counting himself to form a quorum while presiding over proceedings to pass the 2022 budget. Now, the Supreme Court ultimately ruled that Deputy Speakers can both vote and form part of a quorum while presiding over the House. He initiated a lawsuit independent of political party affiliation, citing the goal of fostering national development and setting clear constitutional precedents. This is the man we're talking about. Justice Abdullahi. He thinks that Afenyo Markin is becoming unbecoming, like we say in Ghana. He's almost becoming above the law. And therefore, the judge, Justice Joseph Yenubang Kunsong, should deal with him and cite him for contempt. But Afenyo Markin himself has said that he's waiting for that. He's waiting for the judge to cite him for contempt, and the judge will see what he has never seen. My brother, my sister. But he himself has been busily talking, trying to defend himself and whatever he has said. Earlier today, he posted on X. And what did he say? Osahin Alexander Kwamina Afenyo Markin. After 6 days of waiting, the famous ruling of Circuit Court 9 in the Abronye case is out. All right-thinking members of society can now read for themselves. According to the judge, the court is of the view that when granted bail, the accused will commit further offenses. Accordingly, the bail application by counsel for the accused is refused. The accused is hereby remanded into BNI custody. All hail Court 9, Circuit Court 9 judge. This is what he put out. And then he put out the ruling. My brother, my sister, and when you read it, it's interesting. The Republic versus Kwame, Bafo, and Abronye, and it says time is 9:10 a.m. And then the parties involved, accused person present, complainant as the state absent, representation DSP Emmanuel Nyamiche being led by ACP Alex Odonko for the Republic present, Daniel Mate Ado with Eugene Ansa for the accused person as present, and then prosecution. This is a fresh case, and we would like to take the plea of the accused person. We humbly pray to withdraw the previous charge element, right? Charge sheet filed on the 14th of April 2026 and substitute same with the one filed on the 12th of May 2026, and by the court let the charge sheet with number blah 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 be withdrawn and be amended with number blah 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 blah. This was what Afenyo Markin posted, right? My brother, my sister, and it's a 2-page thing. And the ruling of the judge, he made it clear. That's it. My Lord, respectfully, we were served with the amended charge sheet this morning. Charge read and explained to accused in English. And the offensive conduct conducive to the breach of the peace contrary to section blah 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 of code blah 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 1960 Act 29. The plea not guilty. Count 2, publication of false news contrary to section blah 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 of the criminal code. Plea not guilty. Brief facts. The prosecution presented the facts of the case in the court. The prosecution indicates that the case is under investigation. And then counsel for the accused person also speaks, so on and so forth. My brother, my sister, at the end of the day, the judge says, you know what? I am remanding him without bail in the BNI cells because I believe that this guy, when allowed, can go out and commit more offenses. Dash it away. A lot of people have been talking about this, and this is Afenyo Markin mounting defense amid backlash over his comments about Judge Dash it away. Now, he is the micro-minority leader in parliament, and we won't stop mentioning this. He was the same guy who slapped a policeman 3 times during a certain march to present a petition, and nothing has happened. The Attorney General, has the docket. We still don't know why this guy is not being prosecuted. These are the people who make the laws for Ghana. Yet, they are the same people who can allegedly flout those laws, and they would walk like the teen gods that they are. We pray that Abronya gets justice, and we pray that every other person, including the policeman who was slapped 3 times, to God be the glory. Is Afenyo Markin going to apologize to the judge? Is he going to beg the judge? There is pressure. The GBA, the Ghana Bar Association, has also reacted and telling Afenyo Markin that you are a senior lawyer and you know that issues like this do not have to be critiqued in public like that. But you went ahead and did that. They are angry with him. Is he going to succumb? Is he going to beg the judge? Or he's still sticking to his guns, that he's waiting to be cited for contempt, and he will show the judge something that he has never seen. Until then, he will keep disrespecting the judge every second, every minute, every hour of the day. Is the Black Fort, aka Kukushonemo, and here we speak truth to power.
All right, family, thank you for your watching this YouTube video. I remember you thought to be watch me very well. Subscribe, watch, subscribe, like, comment, and share for more videos. Here is the KUMASI City TV, and you are watching me from right. Please, thank you for you are watching.